corporations are businesses, just like any other. But instead of just being focused on profit, they're operating on what's known as a triple bottom line. Sure, there's profit, but there's also a commitment to people and the planet. This is a really important slide where I'm giving just a 30,000 foot view of what the B Corp community looks like. Spoiler alert, it's huge. There are 5,500 companies that are certified as B corporations. And these can range from really small, 10 employee, like local operations, all the way up to really big brand names. You'd probably recognize Patagonia, Ben & Jerry's, Allbirds, the shoe brand. And these operate in pretty much every other country in the whole world. More than 80 countries across more than 150 industries. And they're all united by this one goal: to be more accountable, more transparent about the work that they're doing.